Hello, Jenny Hall here for Trinity Stamps. Here is a look at a new stamp set called Shellabration. It's part of the Trinity Stamps birthday release. This adorable 4x8 photopolymer stamp set was illustrated by Christy Black and contains a total of 15 stamps. These aquatic creatures are ready to celebrate any occasion and are just so cute. The largest stamp in the set is an octopus and measures approximately 3.5 inches by 2 1/4. There is also a coordinating die set. The dies will also cut away the sentiments, which is really convenient to have when putting together a handmade card. The octopus die also has some extra detail cuts that will cut the paper away in between all of the little arms and all the little nooks and crannies. To decorate and celebrate with these creatures are a number of different decorations, such as ice cream cone, party hats, balloons, and gifts. There's lots to pair up with this set. Here's a look at a watercolor image of the crab with the shell. And then here we have some really beautiful Copic coloring, and you can see that this stamp set lends itself so well to many different looks. Whether it's your favorite style of coloring or you feature it in an interactive card as we have here, there is lots of different ways to pair, and even little googly eyes that you can add from your craft stash and make it just a little bit more special. Paired with some of our already in the store stencils, this stamp set is going to bring so much fun.